We'll go over study problem 5-23 from our textbook. We would like to buy a new house, which is currently valued at $80,000. We can make a We can make a $20,000 down payment, and we agree to make equal end of year payments for the next 25 years, and the interest rate is 9% compounded annually. So first we need to figure out how much we need to borrow from the bank. So the current value of the house, is $80,000. Because we will make a down payment of $20,000, all we need from the bank, the loan amount, will be simply $60,000. Now we can go ahead and apply use our financial calculator to figure out what equal end of year payments will be. So by now we memorized all these keys from our financial calculator. So we have 25 years, 25 equal payments, interest compounded at 9%. Currently we don't have to make any payment today. We are wondering how much will be the end of year payments, and the future value, that's no, actually, so no, that's not correct. So the future value, we want to pay out the balance on the loan, so future value will be definitely 0. However, the present value of the house should be entered here, right? So we should have, that's the present value of the house, and that's it. Because it's as if we are receiving this cash payment from the bank, and that's the amount that we pretty much need for financing the house. So therefore we compute the payments, end of year payments, and they come out to be $6,108.38. Now, one thing which is not very realistic about this problem is the fact that the payments are end of year payments, annual. In real life though, the payments are usually monthly. So if you had to make monthly payments, we could have easily adjusted our solution to reflect that. So let me give you an alternative version of the problem, in which case here the payments are monthly payments, versus the previously when we solved it, it was yearly payments, which is, I don't think it's very realistic. So so this is an alternate problem that I'm solving. If the problem specified, instead of year end 25 equal end of year payments, if the question said 25 times 12 months, 300 monthly payments. 300 months. This is the more realistic case, obviously. So now going back to our solution in this situation, so we have 25 times 12. So let me rewrite it. 25 times 12. 300 monthly payments, so that's the number we input for terms, 300. The interest rate will be 9/12, or you can say 0.75. Still we are borrowing $60,000. We are still curious how much the payments would be, though in this case it will be monthly payments, and we still want to pay off the balance on our loan, and we simply compute the payment. In this case we should get a number roughly $500 or $600 in that amount. So I leave it to you as an exercise to figure out, if the question was worded in such a way that we are making monthly payments, how much would be our balance, monthly end of month balance. But that's pretty much solve the problem, and we are done.